Hello everyone, I am Archana Rane. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss calculate area and circumference of a triangle for Python Programming Laboratory assignment number 3. Learning objective and outcome for this assignment is to learn the calculation of area and circumference of triangle, and outcome is we are expected to read the data from the user and calculate the area and circumference of triangle and display it on a console. Python. Problem definition is given. Write a Python program to compute the area and circumference of a triangle. Take the input from the user. Prerequisite for this assignment is student should know how to read the input from the user, how to display the output on the screen, the information about the different data types of the Python, along with the how we can use it, the different operator for calculating the area and circumference of triangle. Formula we are using for the program, that as we had seen that the problem definition is to calculate the area and circumference. So for triangle, how to calculate the circumference? For calculating the circumference, we supposed to calculate the perimeter in the triangle. The perimeter, now the question may come in your mind, that is, what is perimeter? Perimeter is of a triangle is a total length of the side of the triangle. The sides of triangle may be equal or unique. If the sides are equal, then that type of triangle is called as the equilateral triangle, and if that two sides of the triangle is same, then it is called as the isosceles triangle. The formula for the perimeter of triangle is given, that is the all the sides of the triangle, the addition of all the sides of triangle. For example, is given on a figure, that is, if the triangle is having ABC three sides, then the perimeter how we can call, that is A plus B plus C. Likewise, another formula, the formula for calculating the area is, if we are knowing the base and height of the triangle, then the formula we supposed to use it 1 by 2 into base into the height. Hope all of you are already knowing this formula. Now, if we are not knowing the base and height, and only we are knowing the sides that we had seen for the parameter, calculating the parameter, that is ABC, in that case, how to calculate the parameter and the area of the triangle? For this, we use it the Heron formula. Heron formula, we have to implement the two steps. First, you have to find out the semi-parameter for the triangle, and then apply that semi-parameter for the triangle of the value into the area. For calculating the semi-parameter, we are using the formula, that is S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. As we had seen for perimeter, we are adding all the sides here, and here we are calculating the semi-parameter, that's why we are divided that by the 2. Then that S value we supposed to use it in while calculating the area. For calculating the area formula, we use it as square root in bracket S, in bracket S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Likewise, we calculate the area of the triangle. Now for this program, we again as we have seen in formula for the area, we have to calculate the square root. Now the formula we use it for how we can calculate the square root in a Python. So for calculating the square root in Python, we get it the two different ways. Using exponent we can calculate it, or by using the math.sqrt method we can calculate it. If we use it the using exponent, then the calculation is very easy, that whatever number you are read from the user, or which number you want to calculate the square root, you have to simply multiply by that 0.5 value and you get it the square root of that. Or by using the math.sqrt method, we can calculate it. For that, first you have to import that math package in the Python, then only you can use it. By using math.sqrt and then number, you can calculate it. It's almost similar how we can calculate in Java programming also. By using this, I have written this program in a Python, and if we run this program, how to calculate for triangle, we have to read it the three sides of the triangle, that is first side, second side and third side. Then first you have to calculate the parameter of the triangle. How we can calculate the formula we have already discussed, that is a plus b plus c, that is all sides of triangle, and we can print that sides. Then for calculating the area of triangle, first we have to calculate the semi parameter, and then we have to apply that in a, by using the Heron formula we can calculate it. By using the formula we calculate it, and if we run this program, then the output may generate like this. The first side, if we take it 5, second side is 7, and third side is 8, then the circumference we get it the 20, and the area we are getting the 17.32. Let's we see how to run this program in a PyCharm editor. So I have already copy paste this program in a PyCharm editor, and if we run this program, then it's asked for the first side. If I give it 5, then the second side 7 as I had seen in a presentation, and third is 8. Then the circumference we are getting here 20 as the addition of all three sides, whereas the area is 17.32. Yeah. And the output I have already shown on a slide by compiling and running this program. The conclusion for this assignment is the detail about the triangle we have examined, and as per the data read from the user, the calculations we have taken place in this assignment. Thank you.